2015 Ford. Going to do a maintenance reset. So on this one, when you start up your car, if it says oil change required, I'm going to show you the real simple way to do it. So you're going to hit OK. And then right here, you're going to hit the back button. It's going to bring up this menu. You're going to go down to settings. You're going to go to vehicle. You're going to go to oil life reset. And you're always going to be using these, so you're going to hit OK. And then all you're going to do is you're going to hold OK. It'll reset. And then when it says 100%, let it go. All right, I hope this helped. 2015 Ford Fusion, well, maintenance oil life reset. Hope this helps. Thanks.